The remote work policy caught on across the entire industry. By the end of the year, most companies had adopted it. It took me a few minutes, but I finally caught on and finished the puzzle all by myself. Hey guys, today, let's master the phrasal verb catch on. Catch on has two powerful meanings. First, it means to become popular or widely adopted. When a trend, an idea, or a practice spreads because people see its value. Second, it means to understand or realize something. To finally grasp what is going on after a moment of confusion. In a professional context, when a new tool or strategy catches on, it reshapes how entire teams work. Innovation doesn't just need invention, it needs adoption. Smart professionals catch on quickly to new systems, new expectations, and the unwritten rules of their workplace. That ability to catch on fast is a career advantage you can't put on a resume. In everyday life, catching on is that satisfying moment when something clicks. A joke you didn't get at first, a skill that seemed impossible until suddenly it wasn't. The world rewards people who catch on, both to new ideas and to the reality around them. Now that you understand the core meaning of catch on, subscribe if you want to master more phrasal verbs that English speakers actually use every day. And if this example helped you, let me know by hitting the like button. Also, turn on notifications. We post new videos on this channel every Wednesday. Let's see catch on in action. Example 1. The new project management software caught on across the entire company within just 2 months. Example 2. Once the finance team caught on to the new reporting format, their accuracy improved dramatically. Example 3. She didn't understand the game at first, but she caught on by the third round and ended up winning. Example 4. My grandparents finally caught on to video calls, and now we talk more than ever.
Subscribe.
Now, it is your turn. Go to the comments and post your own example using catch on. Commenting is a powerful way to show engagement with our community, but more importantly, it helps you put your new vocabulary into practice immediately. So, don't skip this part. If you can relate, leave a like to let me know. Keep learning and see you in the next video.